Sandali. Kay Doktora Badoy. Kasi siya doktor dito eh. Alam mo, ang tagal ko nang iniisip ito. Hindi ko, at sa tagal ko na sa media, hindi ko pa rin mawari kung bakit nangyari itong lahat ng ito. Kasi kung tutuusin mo, nung tumatakbo si Mr. Marcos, darating dito sa KOJC, hating gabi, hapon, umaga, pabalik-balik, humihingi ng tulong sa Kingdom Nation kay Pastor Kibuloy. Binigyan siya ng pagkakataong makapagsalita on nationwide and worldwide television sa isang presidential debate. In other words, wala akong makita, it is, ewan ko kung tama ito, attorney, I think it is beyond the commerce of man, no? Itong nangyayari na yung taong lahat ng pagkakataong binigay sa iyo, ngayon ay, ginigipit mo. Gusto mong mabilanggo, pagkatapos naglagay ka ng pabuya, sinasabi mo lumabas ka para patayin ng mga dahil na may pabuya. So, I don't know, anong psychological or mental makeup ng mamang ito? Doc.
You know what I think? I think he's an empty vessel. Walang character itong taong ito. Now, you look at him and he's really empty. He's vacuous. There's nothing in his head, nothing in his heart, nothing in his mind. Pastor was the kindest to him. When in SMN, I treated him with respect. In fact, no other media company treated him with respect. In fact, he was called plunderer's son, etc. No, so you're asking me, no, bakit siya ganyan, di ba? Ano yung character nito? Again, it always comes back to me, the drug use, no? That's really, it's something that I cannot escape. I know people don't like to talk about it, no, but I cannot help but think about it because I look at him and how do you become that empty, such an empty vessel that it's not just pastor, no, but if you look at him now, you study him now, his fiercest and most bitter enemies are people who trusted and loved him, who gave their all to him. And why is that? Because as soon as they won, nilaglag nila sila, no? He turned his back on them without any thank you. In fact, in Okada, where Pastor spent 5,000 a plate for his party of around 100 people, 3 times, he never said thank you, no? But apart from 5,000 a plate, apart from the fact that elitists are really like that, no? Kala nila utang na loob, they feel entitled to it. I am looking at Bongbong Marcos and what I see is an empty vessel. He's soulless, he's heartless, he has no mind of his own, he's a puppet. And what comes to me is maybe that drug use, and also because that entitlement, which gets back to me, no? Yung mga anak ninyo, you think it's worth it? You stole billions, blood money, and look at your progeny, no? Such losers.
Thank you very much, Dr. Lorraine. May gusto po pong magdagdag? Alright. Now, let's move on to another reporter na magtatanong din. Kasama din natin si Jason